So I have a set of pretty heavy duty French doors here, and the door was starting to have issues with the door not closing 100% all the way, which is causing me to not be able to lock it without actually like slamming the door. So I wanted to try out some new hinges. So these were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And let me show you what you get here. You get a box of 12 door hinges. These are matte black door hinges. You can see it in comparison to my old hinge here. And they are exactly the same. And I'll show you how easy this is to install. It's pretty super simple if you do them one at a time. 4 inches long, and they're 1 5/8 inches in each of these sections right here. And they weigh in at 7.4 ounces. You get each of these 12 hinges individually wrapped, and it comes with a bag of screws. And as you can see, the new screws they have provided are a little bit longer than my old screws, which I like that. I think it's common to have a stud screw to put in, which they don't have here, but that's okay. Easy enough to get. On a 3-hinge door like I have right here, I've got enough here to do 4 doors, including, I'm gonna do my bathroom door too, but let me show you how easy these things are to install. You can see here where I've removed my old hinge, Phillips head screwdriver, 4 screws on each side. You can see that the new SORGMACH hinges here literally fit perfectly. Nothing I have to do here. The screws here actually have a little self-tapping thing on here too, which I think is cool. So I'm just gonna start by doing 1 hinge at a time. I'm gonna start with the middle hinge, and then I'll do the other 2. And with the little extra longer screw here, it actually drives it into the wood a little farther than the previous ones. Come on, one more. There you go, simple as that. So these 4-inch door hinges come in different colors. They match right up to my doors. If you're looking for a nice set of easy to replace door hinges, check out these ones by SORGMACH.